Welcome to the navigation of Microsoft Excel. So inside this video, we're going to cover the navigation of Microsoft Excel because it's essential that understanding that navigation helps with your efficiency and productivity. All right, let's take a look. So first of all, a workbook is the actual file that you're working on, and a worksheet is the tabs at the bottom. And you can navigate between sheets by clicking on them. You can also add more sheets and rename sheets by right-clicking and using rename. Now we also have a ribbon across the top. The ribbon contains the features that you can use within your Excel workbook and worksheets. You have the home, insert, draw, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, automate, help. So those are the main ones that we have inside the ribbon. And each tab focuses on resources designed to help with that purpose. Now, we also have the quick access toolbar at the top. And in the quick access toolbar, we have automatic save, we have undo and redo, as well as the name. But by clicking the drop-down, we can customize to add other items like new, open, and several others. So those are quick access toolbars as well. So let's take a look, navigating our cells. So we can click inside of a cell, and this one has been set up as a table. You can see with the drop downs, that makes this a table and not just data random. And inside there, you can click or you can use your arrows to move around as well. And that's how you can navigate those cells. You can also highlight a selection by clicking in one and dragging to highlight all of them. And then you can do elements of analysis with the items in that cell selection. So that's your range that you can have. You can also select range of cells that aren't in here by hitting Control and clicking, and it adds that to that range. I can click over here and add that to that range as well. Now, again, we switch between worksheets by clicking the tabs to be able to access those down there. We edit the data in here by just typing. So we click in here and engage users 496. Well, let's say that is 502. I just clicked in there and added it. So we can also, you'll see there's a little item at the bottom corner that we can drag. And now you see that 502 is right next to every one of those because that now autofills that to be the same by dragging that and making it the same. I didn't want to do that, so I come up to my quick access, hit undo, and it puts it back where it was. Now, I also can right click. So inside here, if I want to right click it, I get a menu that pops up with many features that I can use, inserting columns, deleting columns and rows, selecting, quick analysis, so formatting cells. These are all elements you can do from right clicking inside of a cell. All right, so that is the basic navigation of Microsoft Excel. Practice this navigation, these features, and give it a good try.